Welcome to FESPA. I am Bart and I will be demoing our Anapurna Ciervo H2500 with 6 colors in white, built to navigate with agility and anticipate any challenge. With its 2.5 meter print width, the H2500 is a middle-sized family member. We also have a 2.05 meter and a 3.2 meter version. Across the media, the Ciervo will print 2-up in different speed settings, so visitors can compare the different qualities. The FESPA demo focuses on a mix of rigid and roll applications. I'll be printing on chroma display board from KOHLSCHEIN. Next to that, we'll show off the Ciervo's white ink capabilities on clear polycarbonate from red marker. On rolls, we'll run single roll mode, printing Neschen Easy-Dot vinyl stickers. If you want to excel in every sitting and be light on your feet, the Ciervo is the right printer for you.